Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how addicted are you to book folding? I know I'm pretty addicted, so let's see about you. So for each of these things, give yourself 1 point. You may need more in your fingers, so you might want to grab a pen. So here we go. Made your first project. Tried the mark and fold technique. Tried the free form style of folding. Thrown out a messed up project. Given a book folding sculpture as a gift. Watched a video on book folding. Well, you all have that because you're watching me. Made a word as a project. Created over 10 book folding projects. Attended a book folding class. Bought a book folding pattern. Bought a book on how to book fold. Been told that book folding ruins books. Yeah, right. Decorated the outside of a finished project. Taught someone how to book fold. Given up on a project halfway through. Been book folding for over a year. Seen book sculptures in a store or a craft fair. Posted a book folding picture on social media. Made an animal themed project. Gave a book folding sculpture as a gift. Stayed up past midnight folding. Tried the cut and fold method. Gone to work tired. So go ahead and add up all your points and let's find out exactly how addicted to book folding are you. So let's find out what your score means. If you scored between 1 and 4, you're probably not addicted at all and you're just starting your journey. Happy folding. If you scored between 5 and 9, you're starting the stages of addiction. This is so exciting. Take your passion and create great things. If you scored between 10 and 14, sorry to say, you're really addicted. You found yourself up well past midnight probably at this point. You probably watched movies and TV with your husband and children and probably had no idea what the plot was because you were multitasking. If you scored between 15 and 20, you're addicted and then some. Paper cuts, blisters, exhaustion, bags under your eyes, that's 15 to 20. 20 and plus, wowzers. You are truly addicted to an amazing hobby. This is something to be really, truly proud of, but also, if you are, you may need another cup of coffee. So continue your journey and enjoy.